Hello everyone. Today's topic we are going to learn about skill 3 and skill 4 for TOEFL. In the previous skill, we have learned about skill 1 and skill 2. Skill 1 we talk about subject and verb. Remember, in a sentence, it should be at least one subject and a verb. So this is the most important things. And then the second one, we talk about object of preposition. When we talk about object preposition, remember it is not subject. Even there is a noun after preposition. But after preposition, right, and then there is a noun, it means that it is not subject. Now, let's continue about skill 3 and 4. In skill 3, we are going to talk about present participles. Well, present participle, it's usually called verb ing. For example, arriving, teaching, studying. So, when verb plus ing, it means present participle. It has a function. There are two functions. The first one, a part of the verb, and then the second one is an adjective. Now, we try to discuss about the function as a part of the verb. If present participle or verb ing is accompanied by be, am, is, are, and another be, it is part of the verb. It means that it is like progressive tenses. Yeah, like this one. So depend. For example, number 1, the train is arriving at the station on time. The train is arriving at a station on time. In this sentence, we know that the train is subject. Arriving here, it is present participle, but it is part of verb because it is accompanied by to be is. So it is in progressive tense. Okay, so remember again, one sentence should be subject and verb. The subject is the train, the verb is arriving. And then at station, and then on time, it is object of preposition. For the second sentence, the students are speaking English with the teacher. Speaking here, it is present participle. Yeah, but now we have to elaborate that the student is subject, plural, because it is plus s, and then are speaking, it is part of verb. Yeah, so accompanied by to be are. When it is singular with is, when it is plural with are. Okay, and then with the teacher here, it is object of preposition. The second function of present participle, it is as an adjective. As an adjective. The previous one, part of verb, but this is as an adjective. When it is in part of verb accompanied by to be, but as in adjective, the present participle verb ing is not accompanied by be. It is an adjective. Okay, so we will see the example. Yeah, in this example, number one, the train arriving at the station is now an hour late. Now remember, try to find subject and verb first. The subject is the train. The verb is. And then what is arriving here? Arriving here, it is as an adjective. Yeah, an adjective. Yeah, okay. An adjective is not accompanied by to be. So we can say only the train is now hour late. Okay, the simple sentence is like this one. The train is now hour late. But to make it complete, which train, and then accompanied by adjective present participle. You just put the train arriving at the station is now hour late. The second sentence. The students speaking with the teachers are from class 10. Remember, the subject is students, but it's plural. And then the verb is are. Okay, because it is plural. And what is speaking here? Speaking here, the function as an adjective. Yeah, you just only say the students are from class 10. Just to make sure which student speaking with the teacher. That's it. Now look at this example. The film blah 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 appearing at the local theater is my favorite. The first step is find the subject and verb. The subject is the film. The verb is. So it is complete. So, but there is one missing. There is appearing. So appearing here, it is what is it? As an adjective because it is not accompanied by to be. If you put to be is this one, yeah, there will be double verb is and is. When you answer it, it will be double subject. The film and then it also subject. When you answer was, will be double verb. Yeah, the answer is now. Now, this exercise, number one, it is correct. Yeah, the crying baby needs to be picked up. The subject is the baby, and then the verb is needs. And then crying here is adjective. Remember, adjective is described noun, baby. And number two, the clothes are lying on the floor, should go into the washing machine. It is incorrect. The clothes is the subject but plural, and then the verb are, and then there is should go again. It is like double verb. Yeah, to make it correct, you just erase this one. The clothes lying on the floor should go into the washing machine. Okay. Now you can do number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is about skill skill 3, present participle. Now we come to skill 4. In skill 4, we talk about past participle. In skill 3, present participle. In skill 4, past participle. Past participle, it is regular verb and irregular verb 3. Yeah, past participle. Yeah, this verb 3. So go, went, gone. So it means that gone here is past participle. Studied, taught, played, and etc. Yeah, but here we talk about studied, taught, and then played plus ed. Yeah, studied and then played. Regular and irregular verb past participle verb 3. The function is same with present participle as a part of the verb and as an adjective. It is part of the verb. Past participle is a part of verb if it is appears with have. Remember, if appears with have. And past participle is a part of verb if it is accompanied by to be also. Example, the mailman has left in the mailbox. The subject is the mailman. It is singular. And then we appears with has. And then it is verb 3. Yeah, verb 3. So it is like verb. The mailman has left a letter in the mailbox. What about if it is plural? The mailmans have left a letter in the mailbox. This one. Now the second one. The classes were taught by Professor Smith. The subject is the classes, but it is plural with es, and then accompanied by to be were. After that there is verb 3, taught, teach, taught. So the verb is were taught. Subject the classes, the verb is were taught. Okay, this is one. Have and then accompanied by to be also. Now we talk about as an adjective. Yeah, past participle is an adjective if it is doesn't appear have or be. Yeah, doesn't appear have or be. We just regular verb and regular verb and irregular verb 3. Past participle is an adjective if it is not accompanied by have or be. Yeah, and this one. Now look at this one. The letter left in the mailbox was for me. Now we find the subject is the letter, but here the verb is was. Okay, but what is left here? This is verb, but it is the function as adjective. Adjective. So remember, it's quite confused because you will think that it is incorrect sentence because it will be double verb, right? Left and then was. Yeah, subject, verb, and verb. No, but here left. Yeah, okay. It is adjective. Adjective tells the noun. Tell about the letter. Which letter? Letter left in the mailbox. Another one. The classes taught by Professor Smith were interesting. The classes subject, the verb is were. Sir, what about the taught here? The taught here, it is adjective. Yeah, adjective. Yeah, it is not accompanied by to be and not that doesn't appear with have or to be also. Yeah, so it is not verb. So the sentence will be like this one. The classes were interesting. And then describe again which classes taught by Professor Smith. Now, look at this example. The bread blah 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 baked this morning smelled delicious. We find the subject, bread, but remember it's quite confused. There is past tense bake and then smell here. So which one is verb? The verb is smell. Yeah. So it is past tense. The sentence is correct. Yeah. Because you only say the bread smell delicious. And then bake here is adjective. Tell about the bread. When we talk about the bread smell delicious. Which bread? Baked this morning. So it is the answer. Now, when you put has baked, now it will be double verb. Was baked to be double verb. It double subject. So the answer is just. Like this one. Okay. Now let's practice. Exercise 1. Number 1. The food is served in this restaurant is delicious. It is incorrect. The food subject is served verb and then there is again verb. So it should be like this one. Yeah, the food served in this restaurant is delicious. You only say the food is delicious is correct. And then which food served in this restaurant? Number 2, the plane landed on deserted runway. It is correct. The plane is subject, landed on the deserted the runaway. So the verb is only landed. Here it is object of preposition. Now you can do the exercise number 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Well, that's all about explanation skill 3 and 4. I hope it's useful for you. See you on the next skill. Goodbye.